Hey everyone, welcome to Hubbard's Journey.
We're going to do a complete tour of the Sky Princess Casino.
Michael's area of expertise.
I definitely love the casino, and I have a lot of fun in the casino, and I meet a lot of great people. And in our video, we're going to show you the ability to earn a free cruise by playing in the casino.
I just usually go along for the ride, but it really is a great way if you're looking to get a free cruise. We're going to also show you how you can go about getting your own free cruise. We'll break down all the point system and the category in which to get it.
Back to what we said at the beginning. You want a free cruise? Watch this video. We're also going to show you all the table games, the minimums, the maximum bets. We're going to show you the
slot machines, because that's where I like to play.
I like the slots too. We're also going to show you the amazing staff. When you get to a casino, the staff is so important because that really sets your gaming feel. Is your gaming fun, or is it rah, rah, rah?
It's never rah, 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 let's be honest, with Michael around. Well, you got to stick around to the end of the video because we're going to have a few bonus rounds that we had on the slot machines.
I don't know. Those bonus rounds weren't that plentiful, but they were bonus rounds.
And they got me points.
That's true. Got you points for a free cruise, right?
It did.
It did. And we're also going to showcase the casino staff. The casino staff can make your gaming experience amazing. And we have to tell you, this casino staff definitely made our experience amazing.
All right, can we get into it?
Let's get into it. Let's get into the video.
Let's go.
All right, let's go check it out. Princess Casino on the Sky Princess. Deal or no deal, or bingo. We got all kinds of slots here, but let's check out the tables. We have 2 roulette tables. Nice, huh? $5 minimum, $50 maximum. 3-card prime poker, $5 minimum, $100 maximum. High card flush, $5 minimum, $100 maximum. Keep in mind that these minimums and maximums can change depending on the amount of people in the casino. All right, we've got a blackjack here. We've got a minimum 15, maximum 1500. We got a heads up hold'em, minimum 10, maximum 50. Then we've got a blackjack again, minimum 15, maximum 1500. And the famous craps table. The craps table is a hot place to be. If you got a nice hot roller, crap tables will be on fire. All right, over here we've got blackjack. Blackjack is a $25 minimum on this table right here. This is usually a hot table right here, the Fun 21. I like Fun 21. Fun 21 minimum is $10, maximum $1,000. Then we've got a heads up hold'em over here. Minimum $10, maximum $50. This one's expensive because it's $10 per hand, and I usually play $10 on trips, $10 on pocket bonus. I have to do the ante bet, and I have to do the odds bet. So right there is $40, and then I do the bonus. The bonus is $5 for the jackpot. That's if I hit a flop, a royal flush. That $5 gets you $142,000, but you got $5 here, and then you got another $1 here if you want to bet that. So that's $6. So you got $46 out there before you even get your cards. So it's an expensive heads up hold'em. Let's go over to Fun 21. Fun 21 is the minimum $10, maximum $1,000. I like the Fun 21. Then we got a blackjack table, minimum $10, maximum $1,000. And you notice all these tables do in fact have the side bet for a $5 jackpot or a $1 jackpot. And then here's the other roulette table. And this roulette table is $5 and $50, $5 minimum. What is cool about this ship is it's got a poker table. It's an electronic poker table. They usually do poker tournaments in the morning on C days. On C days, they'll do poker tournaments. So let's take a look at the rest of the casino. So we're here before it opens because you don't want to infringe on people's privacy, but you could see all the different slots. Mighty Cash, Dancing Drums, Firelink. Hi guys. All right, hello, welcome aboard, welcome aboard. I know you from Colombia.
Yes, I am. Oh.
From Colombia. Works in the steakhouse. Okay, wait.
Yeah.
We are on the Sky Princess in the casino. Woo, 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 woo.
We're gonna make it, huh?
All right, so we got Mighty Cash. Oh, Captain. That's the cruise director talking about what's going on. All right, let's continue to look at the slots. We got Fire Link, Ultimate Fire Link, Mighty Cash Double Up, Lock Link. This is all, it's important to mention, this whole side where the tables are is considered non-smoking. All this is non-smoking right here. But when you come right over here, this is smoking. This whole section right here is smoking. And everything on this section on the right here that I'm showing you, there's the roulette table. That whole section all the way to the end of the wall is all smoking. And we'll get into the smoking side, but let's talk about non-smoking side. We got slots on this bank. We've got slots here. We got more slots here. Now, like I said, a lot of these slots, this one here is the Shamrock Fortunes. Nice. You don't see the screen because, you know, the casino's closed. And you've got some Gong Kong Fuet, Egg and Sphere. Huff and Puff gets me all the time. Fortunes, Lock Link, and then Dragon Link. Dragon Link's my favorite. I really like Dragon Link. I think you've got this like a video game type of, in the casino, you could pick up a wad of cash if you have the skill to run that claw. All right, let's talk about casino events. These are the events they have scheduled in the casino, and those are all the port days. They do a numbers game, a lotto game, every night at 11 o'clock, and I think they do one at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, ATM machine. And this is the cashier desk. So this is a between 11 and 16-day cruise. What's great about this is they are transparent. And what I mean by transparent, many times people go to the casinos, ship casinos, they get points and they have no idea if they're going to get any type of comps, and they have no idea if they're going to get any free rooms or anything like that. This shows you. If you hit 1,500 points, you're going to get $200 as a bounce back offer. If you hit 5,000, you're going to get an interior room with $100 bounce back offer. Now, what a bounce back offer is, right before the last day, you'll get a card in your room that is an award certificate. You could get 15,000 points. You have a balcony with $500. 10,000 points, you get an interior room and $400. So it's pretty cool that they're being transparent for the player. Hey, player, if you want to play and you want to get X amount of points, this is what you can be awarded. So it's cool. It's very cool. Wheel of Fortune. Now we're in the smoking area. If you have any comments or questions about the Sky Princess Casino, please leave them down below. I try to respond to all questions, all comments. I try to do a review of the casino. Casino's a favorite place for a lot of people because they try to get their free cruises if they can get one. Sometimes it's expensive, you know, and what I say when you go to the casino, it's strictly the most expensive entertainment in the world. Wait, you agree? You agree it's the most expensive entertainment in the world? They do. We all do. It's very fun, but it's expensive. If you think you're going to go into the casino and you're going to win all kinds of money, you're going to have a problem, because more than likely you may win, but you give it back, or you don't even win. You just keep giving, you know, but hopefully you're having fun. Hopefully you're having fun. All right, and then we got all these poker games over here. So this is the smoking area. This is our casino tour, and there's the cashier's desk. We're back there. All right. I hope when you're on the Sky Princess, you come down to the Princess Casino and check it out. Let's show you some bonus rounds that we incurred on this particular ship. They didn't give us big payouts, but we had fun and we enjoyed it. And we're also going to show you our casino staff. That's amazing. And they are here to make your gaming experience extremely fun and exciting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe. And if you have any questions about free cruises, hit the comments down below. All right, Andrea's in a bonus round.
With 1.5 4-time multiplier activated.
4 times whatever comes up, 1,000. Give me the 1,000, 1,000, 1,000.
Here is your total win. Congratulations.
It would have been nice if it was 125, but I'll take it.
Yeah, 320. Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. They say huge money right there. I don't know about that. And Andrea's in another bonus round. She wants to hit the 1,200. That's her goal, 1,200. I think she can do it. I think she can hit the 1,200.
Come on. Nothing. Fill it all in.
One more free game, come on. Oh, you touch the screen and it stops.
That's the screen stop, yeah. Alright.
25 bucks on an 88-cent bet. Ball, 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 ball. We're in the bonus round. We want to hit, we'd love to hit the grand major ball, 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 ball. I'll take wild, but I'd rather have balls. I think they have great balls of fire. Balls, balls, balls. I like how she giggles. Baby. Balls? Oh. Come on, balls. Wilds. Those didn't connect.
You're on the dollar.
No, that's it. That's it. No, that was it on that bonus round. All right, we are in a bonus round, and Andrea, you hit it. Come on, where's that major? Major, major, major. Ay, ay, ay. Are you gonna hit the button, Andrea? Oh man, that was nothing. Oh boy. Ay, ay, ay. That's a tough one. So we had a bonus round. What's the paying here? It paid $8. $7. Ay, ay, ay. All right, let's move on. Andrea's in another bonus round.
Reset good. So far not. Need some more free games.
Andrea's in a bonus round. She just hit the button. Oh, it's a 4 bonus round. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there you go. Free games right there. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah. Oh, I saw that $100.